Hey y'all, it's your girl, the Bedrock Beauty, and I'm back with another video. I missed you guys a lot. It's the new year. This is my first unboxing for 2021. So you know I had to start it off with a bang. This is my Boxycharm unboxing. I know y'all noticed I got my new little background going on. I redid my office, so now you guys get to see like a little bit of my makeup collection. We got our drawers and stuff here as well. So you know I want to change it up for the new year. So let's get it popping with this unboxing. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. You know, we got the little card in here that gives you all the information, but I'm not going to read that into the end. So as you guys know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You get, 4 to 7 full-size products. Is $27, if I'm not mistaken. I unsubscribed and I just couldn't resist resubscribing from them. So I'm excited to start back up. Okay, so the first thing I see, first off, I love this brand. I'm super excited. I've been so into skincare because, you know, with the virus, Corona, I haven't been really wearing makeup. And when I do, it's really just for entertainment purposes. And then I'll take a picture and take that stuff off. So we got Pharmacy Deep Sweet Pore Cleansing Toner, and it looks like that's a papaya on there. It says moringa and papaya. Don't know what moringa is, but let's open it up. As you know, I gotta smell it. Ooh, okay. Glass packaging, that's already a plus for me. It is 4 fluid ounces. That's a pretty decent amount as well. Let's open it up. How do you, is it a seal on it? Oh, smart. There's a little seal on there. Okay. You know what's super funny? Okay. It doesn't have a great smell, but it reminds me of like some old school Avon. You remember like the little pink stuff your grandma used to sell? That's what this reminds me of. It's not bad, but it gives me that vibe. Okay. Not bad. First thing in the box. I love a good toner. Next thing I see is from Dr. Brandt. Okay, so we got a skincare vibe going on. I like Dr. Brandt as well. This is the DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Don't use a lot of eye creams because, you know, that melanin keeps my skin looking great. But I may gift this to somebody because I'm not a big eye cream person. But let's open it and look at it. At least, I guess I can show you guys what it is. Okay, so this is super cute. Nice the packaging, you know, typical for Dr. Brandt. This is 0.5 ounces. Not a lot of product, but I'm gonna gift that. So if anybody of my friends watching this and y'all want this, just hit your girl up and I'll give it to you guys. Okay, next thing I see is Bali Balm. Again, more skincare. This is a lip balm, sweet orange and coconut. Okay. It gets cold in Alabama too, so, you know, I love a good lip balm. Ooh, okay. I've been really into the lip balms that are like this, like the creamy lip balms, not the old school stick. I've been loving this. I got some from Juvia's Place that I freaking fell in love with. So let's open this up. First off the bat, let's swatch it. It's a little thicker, but oh God, that smells, oh, I wish you guys can smell it, but it's, oh my God, it smells amazing. I'm super geeked about this. Okay, and I haven't heard of this brand before, so I'm excited to try them. Okay, Boxycharm, we're doing good with the skincare theme. Yeah, because it is, okay, so the theme for this month is Fresh Start. So that makes sense, you know, the perfect thing to, like, people always ask, how do I get my makeup to look flawless, blah, blah, blah. The best thing is to start with your skin. And if you have really nice skin, the makeup is just going to enhance that even more, you know what I mean? So start with good skincare. Okay, here we go, Okay, this is some Laura Geller. Okay, I'm not going to lie, I remember when there was like this big hype on Laura Geller, the little swirly little highlighter, and everybody was super geeked. And that was like my first, like, one of my first major purchases in terms of like higher end makeup when I was in college and I was broke. But I'm still broke. But I wasn't like a big fan, but we'll see. I'm gonna keep an open mind. Okay, so this is another highlighter. 2 little highlighters. One's called Shimmer, the other one's called Sparkle. Okay, very original. Let's swatch it. Okay, this is the swatch for one. This is the swatch for the other one. It's very, very, very light for my skin tone. Bruh, can y'all see that? It's like non-existent. And I was trying to give it the benefit of the doubt, but it lived up to the hype that I had for it. So I'm just gonna put that over there. Okay, so there's one more thing in here, and it is an eyeshadow palette, because it wouldn't be Boxycharm without an eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is from Ciate London. I love this brand, okay? I love them so much. I have a lot of products from them. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, okay. That's not a good sound. What was making that shaky noise? I don't know. First off, the mirror in this mug is amazing. I'm not going to blind you guys with it, but it's amazing. But then let's get into these colors, mama. Look. Oh my God. Don't you just want to bathe in it? Ooh. Look, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm going to swatch some stuff since you know I got to swatch the gold. I'm going to swatch this bronze, and then I'm going to swatch a matte. Bro, I love this. Oh, so this is what it looks like swatched. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to swatch it over that Laura Geller because it's not like it had any pigment anyway. Ooh, pretty decent pigment. The matte kind of, it didn't glide as smooth as the shimmer shades, but girl, I'm going to see my bestie, so this is going to come in handy. Instead of having to pack a whole bunch of palettes, I might just pack this if I do my makeup at all. Okay, so let's get into these prices. So the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette is $30. A little higher end side for me, but you know, the palette, the pigments, they feel amazing, so I'm excited to try them on the eyes. Okay, so the Pharmacy Deep Sweep Pore Cleansing Toner is $28. Not bad, honestly. Toners kind of run a little bit expensive when you start really getting into your skincare. So this is not bad. The packaging is very nice. I can see myself paying $28 for this. Hopefully it lives up to the hype. Okay, so this Laura Geller high definition glow illuminator duo is $33. I would pay $5 for this. I'm just being honest with you guys. It's a no for me. The Dr. Brandt eye cream, y'all, $82. Where they do that at? Cause baby girl, for 0.5 ounces of product, you think I'm gonna pay $85? It's a no for me. Okay, and last but not least, okay, Boxycharm. And I know Boxycharm don't come up with these prices. These are the prices that are from the manufacturer, but girl, this lip balm, which I love, it smells amazing. It felt amazing on my arm when I swatched it. $33. I am not paying $33 for a lip balm, ever. That's liquid. I'm not even paying that for a liquid lipstick. But I'm not knocking your hustle, Bolly Bomb. If y'all making that money, go ahead and make it, because you know, don't let it make you. So that was everything that I got in my box. A pretty decent box in terms of value. Okay, so the overall value for this box was pretty decent, well over $200. For $27, you can't be mad. I'm really excited about the toner. I'm excited about the eyeshadow palette, and I'm also excited about the lip balm. So 3 out of 5 products isn't bad per se, so I'm excited. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna start back doing my rocked or not. I'm starting to try a lot more makeup so I can review a lot more makeup. So super excited about that. As always, check out Bedrock Cosmetics. Support your girl. Like, share, comment, all of that, this video. And it's so amazing to be back with YouTube. I missed you guys. And I'll see you guys on my next video.